video of our 1919 Oldsmobile truck. All the latest features, pneumatic tires, 4-cylinder overhead valve engine, all exposed. This is before valve covers. Electric start, which was common back by 1919. A partially pressurized oil system. And a rear drive axle. Around here, Al. Let's get under there. Which was unusual for trucks back then. They were chain drive. And this is the same as a Mercedes Unimog, a portal axle system. I'm the second owner of this truck. It was a farm truck back in Iowa in 1919. I have the original registration here. Al, come in here. Here's the original registration. The other day, the guy I bought it from, the original family, brought the original license plate over. And as they did back then, at some point, they parked it in back of the barn and let it rot. And these are pictures of this truck. There was almost nothing left. But there was a Model T restore in their family. When he moved to Fort Collins in 1978, he brought the truck with him. It sat on sawhorses for years, and I got it in boxes. So we got it put together. There's kind of how it would have looked new. And it's running. It runs really well. It drives really well. It still has a leather clutch. It has a wood throwout bearing. It still has mechanical brakes, of course, just on the back wheels, but that's what they had. And it's a work in progress, as you can see. Let's go for a drive. Okay, put it.